This is stock number 4-115J. This is a 2003 Chrysler Pacifica. It's got the 3.5 automatic. Motor knocks like crazy, so the motor's junk, but I'm going to test out the transmission. Take you on a little run right here. Let's see. So far so good. Reverse works also. I did check that. Shifts butter smooth. Really nice. $146,000 on it, and this thing is butter smooth. I very much like, except for the motor. So, alright, park this back over here. Alright, and there you go. Check engine light is on for a thermostat below temp. Nothing to do with the transmission though, but it looks good.